I have now populated all the LED controllers to the main PCB. These are the LED controllers. There should be 18 of them, 9 on top, 9 on bottom. And it's a really nice and small package, QFN I think. So I designed my display with those. But for some reason, Texas Instruments decided to stop making them. And I had to buy those. They are not as nice and small, so I had to make a little board that I would solder it onto and have wires going through to the vias on the PCB. And it took me a week to make all 9 of those. That was very time consuming, but finally all done. And now time for testing. So I'll just power it on and reset the Mbed, which has some controlling functions. So it's going through all 6 blocks. There are 6 blocks in parallel. First is red, then green and blue. And they seem to be working. Yep, they're all working. And also the little 5V regulator board is also mounted in. Pretty solid too. It will not fly off during the operation, so that's good. It's not glued or anything, it's just being held by 3 pretty thick wires. But yeah, I'm confident it will hold. So yeah, that's it for now.